Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be going to Auburn Botanical Gardens. Here we're going to be visiting the Cherry Blossom Festival. This is our first time visiting it, and very excited. And we're also going to go explore the food there. So come, let's see. Hey guys, so now this is the way to the event, the Cherry Blossom Festival, and we just parked our car and we're walking now. It's a 10-minute walk from the car park. The national bird of Australia, the ibis. You can see there are many birds over here. Walking in the lake, there are so many birds. Some ducks over here, sitting on the tree. So now we have just entered the cherry trail. We are walking in a line. And this is what it looks like on the inside. To the water and everything.
While we were waiting in the cherry blossom trial, we got a glimpse of the pond that we are approaching. It was so beautifully set up. The waters were blue in color and it was cherry blossom trees everywhere. We felt like we are in the most beautiful place in the world, covering ourselves with the cherry blossom flowers. And this was a small glimpse of the waterfalls.
Wow!
See him? There. See him? Look.
Come on, there. Pico.
And he's calling out. He's showing off. He's saying, look at me. I'm big and tough. Look how big he wins.
So we just entered into the trial. Everybody was photographing and capturing the beautiful moments. The tree was actually called as October Glory, but it started to bloom now itself. We entered into the cherry blossom trial, the most beautiful place, and should have been the most photographed place of the day. The flowers were amazingly pinkish, baby pinkish color, which was awesome. Was very refreshing to the sight, and it's done for only 2 weeks. Next to the Japanese food festival.
$79.
This is the snack pack, hot barbecue and pulled pork belly. It looks very filling, and let's give it a try now. The pork is really flavorful, and the fries crispy and soft, and the sauce is spicy and nice. It goes well with the pork and the chips.
We ordered the Japanese cake at 15 senji. We're going to taste cheesecake for the first time. Let's see how that goes. I ordered from the Satay Brothers chicken satay. It was kind of dry. The crowd was really good, and as the crowd was really good, the voice that I was giving over was not clear, so I decided to uh, give a voiceover of what I had. The chicken was dry, otherwise it was flavorful, and we enjoyed it. Aiden liked his pork, so he was not much into my plate this time. So, tasting an original Japanese cheesecake was my long awaiting to do list, and that was awesome. The cheesecake was kind of burnt and cake like texture on the outside, and a real cheese texture inside. It was awesome. So, hope you enjoyed this vlog and had fun with us watching through the Cherry Blossom Festival in Auburn. Don't forget to try it, like it, and share it